Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Mathematics with Miss Jen. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell to get updated on my latest videos. For today's lesson, we will learn addition and subtraction of decimals. Addition of decimals. Adding decimals is very similar to adding whole numbers, except with a few extra technical details and bookkeeping. Like for example, we have 45 and 87 hundredths plus 5 and 342 thousandths. Recall that decimals are just fractions. We add fraction by adding the whole number parts and the fractional parts separately. To add these decimal numbers, just follow the steps. Write down the numbers one under the other with the decimal point lined up. Step 2. Put zeros so that numbers have the same length. Step 3. Then add. 0 plus 2 is 2. 7 plus 4 is 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 3 is 12, 2 carry 1, and 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 5 is 11. 1 carry 1, and 1 plus 4 is 5. And the last steps, the most important steps, is bring down the decimal point. So our answer is 51 and 212,000. In subtraction of decimals, we will follow the same steps. Like for example, we have 45.87 minus 5.342 thousandths. Step 1. Write down the numbers one under the other with the decimal points lined up. Step 2. Put 0 so the numbers have the same length. Then subtract. So here, 0 minus 2 cannot be, so we will borrow 1 from 7, so 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Then, since we borrowed 1 from 7, so 7 becomes 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Then 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. And 4 minus 0 is 4. Then the last steps and the most important one is our decimal point. So bring down the decimal point. So 45.87 hundredths minus 5 and 342 thousandths is equals to 40 and 528 thousand. So this is our answer. Let's try to practice more and answer some of the word problems. Peter cuts a piece of string into 3 lengths. One is 4.26 centimeters long. The second one is 7.54 centimeters long. And the third one is 3.90 centimeters long. How long is the string before it was cut? So we need to add those 3 given numbers to get the sum of the string. Step 1. Write down the numbers one under the other with the decimal points lined up. Step 2. Put zeros so the numbers have the same length. Since our given numbers here have the same digits, so we don't need to add 0. So we will add. So 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 3 plus 5 is 8. And 8 plus 9 is 17. So we have 7 here and carry 1. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12, and 12 plus 3 is 15. And the last step is to bring down the decimal point. So our final answer is 15 and 70 hundredths. So the sum of the string before it was cut is 15 and 70 hundredths centimeters. Example number 2. A crate contains 17.3 kilograms of onions. Another crate contains 25 kilograms of potatoes. How many more vegetables are needed to fill an order of 50 kilograms? In this problem, we need addition and subtraction. So first, we will add the two given numbers. We have 17.3 kilograms of onions and another one is 25 kilograms of potatoes. So same steps. Write down the numbers one under the other with the decimal points lined up. Step 2. Put 0 so the numbers have the same length. As you notice here, we have the whole number of 25. So to have the same digits, we need to add the decimal and the 0 tenths. Then we will add. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. 2 carry 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 2 is 4. And our decimal points, we should bring it down. So our answer is 42.3. So this is the sum of the two vegetables. But we need to fill an order of 50 kilograms. So since 50 is given, so we will subtract 42.3 from 50 kilograms to get how many kilograms of vegetables we are needed to fill an order of 50 kilograms. So we have 50 minus 42.3. Then, since 50 is a whole number, we will add the decimal point and 0 tenths. So now we will proceed to subtraction. So 0 minus 3 cannot be. So we will borrow 1 from 0. And it's because this is 0, we will borrow 1 from 5. So 0 here becomes 10. So now we can subtract. 10 minus 3 is 7. Then 9 minus 2 is 7. And 4 minus 4 is 0. And the last one is to bring down the decimal point. So our answer is 7.7 or 7 and 7 tenths. We need 7 and 7 tenths kilograms of vegetables to fill an order of 50 kilograms.